So guys, the new iPhone 11 images has been released and they are from case maker highlighter and are quite similar, yet with the sleek design. A fresh batch of leaked images from a case maker has given us the sharpest look at the iPhone 11 range, and that is really quite interesting information. And many people who are just searching about that how the new iPhone will be look like, so here is for you guys. You can see the case of new iPhone 11, and the new iPhone is just gonna be the same as the case is. Hello everyone and welcome back to the latest technology news on the AZ Technology. So guys, the first news is LG G8X ThinQ hands-on. Is this the LG's answer to the Galaxy Fold and M8X? Samsung Galaxy Fold is finally launching this week in the South Korea. The next news is Motorola One Zoom boasts quad camera array and it is coming to the US. So the next news is Motorola Moto E6 Plus breaks bad in Berlin with more of everything. The next news is the leaked Vivo Z1X Pro images shows dual lens pop-up selfie cam, because this is really very interesting feature. Samsung to release a crypto-centric version of the Galaxy Note 10. The next news is about the Facebook and the Facebook dating available now in the US along with the new secret crush feature. So guys, the next news is hands-on on the Garmin's new fitness watches are bolder and more powerful than the other ever watches. They are just saying. Nokia 7.2 and Nokia 6.2 hands-on, these are your new mid-range heroes. So guys, in the latest tech news and Google saying that the Google Assistant can now place your WhatsApp video and audio calls, and this is really very interesting information. Regarding the India tech news is the Vivo Z1X launch is in India today with starting price of rupees 16,1990. LG launches LG G8X ThinQ at IFA 2019, and the Flipkart news is that the Flipkart Mobiles Bonanza sale is just begins today. Check top smartphones and really interesting deals. Oppo Renovo 2Z now on sale in the India and the price is really quite very low, and the RealmeXt will be available on Flipkart also after the launch. It is now revealed that the RealmeXt will go on sale on Flipkart following its launch in the India on September 13. The next news is about the Vivo Z1X in the India launch today. Specs, price in India, sale date and more. Everything you can count on the 12 p.m. on the website of Vivo. Lenovo launches yoga laptops with inbuilt Alexa, and thin books are just coming up in this month. Facebook is launching right now the Facebook dating in the US, and that is the really interesting information which is just moving around on the whole internet, and everything is just talking about this. The next tech talk is about the Samsung reaches peak flagship with a blockchain branded Galaxy Note 10, and this is really interesting information. So guys, the next technology news is about the LG's new G8X ThinQ Beats. The two screens are better than a foldable one. I guess they are just saying to the Samsung.